In today's video, I'm going to teach you why you should consider keeping Microsoft Edge on your Windows device and offer some alternative solutions if you'd rather use a different browser. Microsoft Edge is more than just another browser option. It's deeply embedded into the Windows operating system, acting as a core component that helps ensure everything runs smoothly. Uninstalling it might seem like a straightforward way to make space for another browser or to reduce clutter, but there are several key reasons why that's not advisable. First, let's discuss system stability. Microsoft Edge is tightly integrated into Windows, and by attempting to uninstall it, you could inadvertently trigger some unpredictable problems with your operating system. Why is this important? Well, when parts of your operating system become unstable, your entire computing experience can suffer, leading to performance issues, crashes, or unexpected behavior from various programs. Another crucial consideration is the functionality of your applications. Many Windows components, including the Microsoft Store and other applications utilizing WebView 2, rely on the frameworks that Microsoft Edge provides. Removing it can cause these applications to stop working properly, which could greatly disrupt your workflow or day-to-day usage of your computer. Security updates are another area where Edge plays a vital role. Uninstalling Edge can disable your ability to receive essential security updates and other system improvements. These updates are designed to protect your computer against vulnerabilities, ensuring you have the latest defenses against potential threats. Let's not forget the practical aspect of having a backup browser. If you delete Edge and your preferred browser gets compromised by malware, you could find yourself in a scenario where you can't access the internet to download fixes or alternative browsers. Keeping Edge installed ensures you always have a way online should anything go awry with your main browser. Now, that doesn't mean you have to actively use Microsoft Edge if it's not your preference. A simple solution is to hide the icons for Edge, much like we did in the past with Internet Explorer. Out of sight often means out of mind. Alternatively, you can set your favorite browser as the default in Windows. Doing so ensures that for most web-related tasks, your chosen browser is used instead of Edge. For those instances where certain links insist on opening in Edge, a neat tool like MS Edge Redirect can save the day. This tool can automatically redirect those links to open in your preferred browser, streamlining your online experience. In closing, maintaining the stability and functionality of your Windows system is paramount. So keeping Edge installed while using the workarounds I've mentioned will give you the best of both worlds, a preferred browsing experience and a smoothly running system.